This video will cover the changes in car accident injuries and fatalities during the coronavirus lockdowns. Brought to you by the Herrman Herrman Injury Attorneys of South Texas. With fewer drivers on the road since coronavirus stay-at-home orders began in March, there should be fewer car accidents. And sure enough, early data from California showed that collisions and fatal accidents were cut in half since coronavirus lockdowns began. But it turns out that simply counting car accidents does not tell the whole story. While the number of crashes has dropped in most cities, the likelihood of being injured or killed in a crash has actually gone up. For example, Streets Blog reports that in March 2019 for Austin, there were 450 accidents that injured 99 people, including one pedestrian. In March 2020, however, there were only 381 accidents, but they caused 111 injuries and 3 of them were to pedestrians. The Streets Blog report also says that the trend isn't isolated to Austin, it's true for many other areas across the country. So, what's going on? Well, people are driving faster with more distractions. Empty stretches of road seem to encourage drivers to speed. The Governor's Highway Safety Association, or GHSA, reported in mid-April that despite there being far fewer vehicles on the road due to COVID-19 stay-at-home orders, state highway safety officials across the country are seeing a severe spike in speeding. The Washington Post says that reports of drag racing, drivers chasing land speed records, and more speed-related crashes began setting off alarm bells for police agencies across the country almost immediately after states began their coronavirus lockdowns in mid-March and traffic volumes fell dramatically. Increases in distracted driving also appear to be contributing. A study released on May 7th by the data analytics company ZenDrive found that from March 16th to April 19th, speeding was up 27%, hard braking was up 25%, and cell phone use among drivers was up 38% compared to the 5 weeks prior to the nation's first stay-in-place order. ZenDrive said that with the decline in traffic, some drivers saw empty highways as an open invitation to speed while distracted by their phones. Fewer drivers on Texas roads would truly mean fewer car accidents and fewer motor vehicle fatalities if drivers were not speeding or driving while distracted or engaging in other negligent and reckless driving habits. As Texas moves to reopen its economy, let's hope that drivers return to safer driving habits as well. If you've been injured and need legal help, please call the Herrman Herrman Law Firm at 844-426-6000.